All right, YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle here. Let's check out this 69 Grand Prix that we just got today. It's a 6.6, so Pontiac 400, all original. About as nice as you can get a classic car. Fire it up, take it for a spin. Tons of documentation that comes with this car. It's supposed to be original mileage, which is 33,723. Unheard of, right? Started that easy. Air's supposed to work and everything. Let's try it. AC high and cool. Yeah, supposed to have functional AC and heat. Let's back it up. Oh, a little original sticker here. $5,200 is all it was when it was new. It's a little bit more than that now. Car will be listed on i95muscle.com. You can follow us at I-95Muscle on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And that's all the plugs I'm gonna do. Horn works. Blinkers work. Wipers work. Car rides great. I know in a lot of these videos I say the car rides pretty good. This car rides great. Don't laugh at my towel head, it's hot. I have a towel shoved under my hat to keep sweat from running down my face. It's like 96 degrees out today. Unlike my favorite band, 98 degrees. Oh, speaking of, let's try the radio. Haven't tried the radio yet. We'll park it in picture zone. Well, we got sound. This needs oldies. It works. One of our friends told us today that the 69 Grand Prix still holds the record for the longest production hood ever made. So, as you can see, it's not lying. Let's move this towel here. I think he just has it there for protective purposes. He does. Dash is all in one piece. We'll take these pictures for you guys. You can find it on i95muscle.com. Thanks for watching. Gorgeous car. Like, comment, subscribe, yada yada. See you later.